Today, in Quizzing with Digital Generation, we will continue MCQs from Biology, Class 10, Chapter Life Process Nutrition. You can answer them in the comment box while watching. So, let's start. Question number 1. Which of these are responsible for the emulsification of fats? Options are A. Enzyme lipase, B. Hydrochloric acid, C. Bile salts, and D. Pancreatic juice. The correct answer is option C. Bile salts. Question number 2. Which of the following organisms has a parasitic mode of nutrition? Options are A. Yeast, B. Plasmodium, C. Euglena, and D. Rhizopus. The correct answer is option B. Plasmodium. Question number 3. Which of the following enzymes is present in bile juice? Options are A. Trypsin, B. Pepsin, C. Rennin, and D. None of these. The correct answer is option D. None of these. Question number 4. The enzymes pepsin and trypsin are secreted respectively by. Options are A. Stomach and pancreas, B. Pancreas and liver, C. Stomach and salivary gland, D. Pancreas and gallbladder. The correct answer is option A. Stomach and pancreas. Question number 5. The source of oxygen which is liberated during photosynthesis is. Options are A. Starch, B. Water, C. Carbon dioxide, and D. Chlorophyll. The correct answer is option B. Water. Question number 6. Which of the following is the correct statement regarding bile? Options are A. Secreted by pancreas and stored in liver, B. Secreted by gallbladder and stored in liver, C. Secreted by liver and stored in bile duct, and D. Secreted by liver and temporarily stored and concentrated in gallbladder. The correct answer is option D. Secreted by liver and temporarily stored and concentrated in gallbladder. Question number 7. The digestion of protein starts from. Options are A. Small intestine, B. Esophagus, C. Mouth, and D. Stomach. The correct answer is option D. Stomach. Question number 8. The reserve food in autotrophs is. Options are A. Proteins, B. Fatty acids, C. Glycogen, and D. Starch. The correct answer is option D. Starch. Question number 9. If ptyalin is absent in the saliva of a human being, then which of the following processes taking place in the buccal cavity will be affected? Options are A. Proteins breaking down into amino acids, B. Starch breaking down into disaccharides, C. Fats breaking down into fatty acids and glycerol, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. Starch breaking down into disaccharides. Question number 10. In which of the following groups of organisms the food material is broken down outside the body and then absorbed? Options are A. Green plants, Euglena and amoeba, B. Yeast, mushroom and rhizopus, C. Paramecium, amoeba and hydra, and D. Ascaris, leech and tapeworm. The correct answer is option B, yeast, mushroom and rhizopus. We will continue with the next chapter in the coming week, and don't forget to let us know how many of them you got right.